Before I met Cody, didn't have a business, so I really was starting from nothing and just trying to build an agency and do what we're all trying to do. So our team has grown to about 22 people, and we have 300 active clients across the country. So our business has really grown, and it's not like things get easier. Like, you always have different challenges you're trying to deal with, but obviously that growth is really rewarding too.
Cody's events are filled with so much information, and yet it's presented in a simple way. You don't feel like you're drinking from a fire hose. It's filled with light bulb moments where you're like, oh, I could take and apply that. So it's a ton of great information, but presented in a way that it's not overwhelming. You don't walk away going, I don't know even where to start now. He makes it so clear where to start.
Before I came to the event, you can say I was kind of treading water, wanting to do more things, wanting to invest, but I didn't know how, I didn't know what to do next. With joining the crew, it really helps to kind of set the tone and really point me in a direction, go there, start implementing, and then by the end of it, and now 3 to 4x my business.
So this is my first live event with Cody. I've known him for a few years, and I can tell you this, there's no doubt that he's an expert in building funnels, running ads, launching products, showing you step by step how to go about it. He has a style that is knowledgeable and casual and approachable to make you feel like you can absolutely 100% implement what he's teaching you today in your business.
I've been in marketing for a while, and there's definitely a lot of opinions, a lot of noise out there, a lot of groups and programs and methodologies. Cody honestly keeps it simple, and you're gonna walk away with a plan for your business that pushes aside all the confusion, and you're just gonna have a straight path forward.
To be surrounded by these other members in this community of people who are going through the same thing as you, it doesn't feel as lonely. Whereas an entrepreneur, it is a very lonely world, and I just feel like I'm able to connect with people, and we just are able to bounce off ideas off of each other, which is so beneficial.
Cody is a lighthouse, showing the way to entrepreneurs how to grow their business.
He's so down to earth, but brilliant.
Cody Burch is the expert you want on your shoulder, guiding you through every decision you're making in your business.